Hi everyone. After the series of YouTube videos I've done on abundance, which people have really enjoyed, I've decided to run a series of abundance workshops. So if you're interested in doing that, you can check out events on jacquicrooks.com. I'll put a link in the comments, and you might want to sign up for those to take things to a deeper level. And meanwhile, I thought I would do a quick tap today on the things we tell ourselves, the stuff that we tell ourselves on a daily basis and we don't even know we're doing it because it's just so automatic. So if you'd like to tap with me, knowing that you're then taking full responsibility for your own well-being, and we'll be tapping mostly on the side of the hand. So here we go. Even though I'm not sure I can change my abundance story, I love and accept the parts of me that aren't sure. Even though I don't know if I'm allowed to change that abundance story, or if it's safe to do that, or even if it's possible to do that. I love and accept all parts of me, even though I've had this abundance story for so long. I'm not sure who I'd be with a different story. I'm reminding all parts of me that who I will be is just me with a different abundance story. I'm always me, whatever I believe or don't believe. And I'd like all the parts of me that have been keeping me in this old abundance story, or more likely this old lack of abundance story, to know I really appreciate the work they've been doing. They've done a great job, and that job is complete now. And I'd like them to go and talk to my higher self, get all the updated information, and then to create a new way forward with a new story that's safer, healthier, and so much more fun than the old one. And I thank them for their help. So here's to new, vibrant, supportive, loving, abundant stories that allow us lots of choice, allow us new ways forward, allow us to have fun. And if you want to take this to a deeper level, then check out my workshops. Bye.